So here's the takeaway. Transparency is the glue that holds trust together. It turns confusion into clarity, suspicion into confidence, and fear into empowerment. AI systems that are open and honest aren't just better, they're essential for shaping a future we can all believe in. Now that we've explored the importance of transparency, let's shift gears to the next pillar: diversity, non-discrimination, and fairness. How do we ensure AI is inclusive and equitable for everyone it serves? Let's find out. Imagine this. You're applying for a job and the company uses an AI system to screen candidates, but you never hear back. Later, you find out that the AI system was biased. It favored applicants with a specific background, even though you were equally qualified. Now, here's the question. How do we ensure AI doesn't just work for some people, but works fairly and equitably for everyone? This is where diversity, non-discrimination, and fairness come into play. These principles aren't just ideals, they're necessities. Without them, AI risks perpetuating existing inequalities and creating new ones. So how do we build systems that are inclusive and fair? Let's break it down into three critical aspects: avoiding unfair bias, promoting inclusivity in AI design, and enhancing accessibility. First, let's tackle avoiding unfair bias. AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. If that data reflects historical biases, like gender disparities in hiring or racial inequalities in lending, then the AI can end up reinforcing those patterns. That's why it's essential to actively identify, measure, and eliminate biases in training data. For example, analyzing how data is collected and ensuring it doesn't skew toward one demographic over another can make a huge difference. AI can't be fair if it's trained on unfair data. Next is promoting inclusivity in AI design. This starts with the teams building these systems. Diverse teams bring diverse perspectives, which help ensure AI systems work for a wider range of users. Think of it like building a product for a global audience. You wouldn't rely on input from just one culture or background. By involving people from different genders, ethnicities, and disciplines in AI development, we create systems that reflect the complexity and diversity of the real world. Finally, let's talk about enhancing accessibility. AI should work for everyone, regardless of age, gender, ability, or background. For instance, designing AI interfaces with accessibility features, like voice commands for those who can't use a keyboard, can make these technologies more inclusive. And beyond technology, it's about engaging with the communities affected by AI, listening to their concerns, and incorporating their feedback into the development process. This ensures the AI truly serves the people it's intended to help. But here's the big picture. Fairness isn't just about doing the right thing, it's about building trust. If people see that AI treats them equitably, they're more likely to use and trust it. Businesses that prioritize fairness gain customer loyalty and avoid reputational damage. Governments that demand fairness ensure AI systems align with societal values. And let's not forget the ripple effect. When we make AI fair and inclusive, we set a precedent for how technology should serve humanity. We show that innovation doesn't have to come at the expense of equity. It can be a driving force for it. So as we move forward, let's ask ourselves, how do we create AI systems that reflect the diversity of the world they operate in? How do we ensure fairness isn't an afterthought, but a core design principle? Because in the end, AI isn't just about solving problems, it's about solving them for everyone.